Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to mastering clipboard management with Windows plus V. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. What do you do if you forget to copy and paste an important text, but you need the text immediately? Then simply press on your keyboard Windows plus V. You can see here all of your copy text. If you somehow can't able to save that document, you can find your copy text by clicking Windows plus V. So this is how you can mastering clipboard management with Windows plus V. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.